So you signed up on Promptearn, you picked a product, you've been posting on WhatsApp, sharing links on your status, and even tried Instagram and TikTok a few times, and yet no one's buying. It's frustrating, right? You start asking yourself, is affiliate marketing even for me? Am I doing something wrong? And the worst thought of all, maybe I should just quit. Let's pause that, because today I'm walking you through the 5 real reasons why you haven't made any sales yet as a beginner affiliate, and most importantly, how to fix each one starting today. Because guess what? You're not lazy and you're not failing. You just need someone to show you the right levers to pull, and that's exactly what this video is for. So why aren't you making any sales? Why hasn't a single person purchased through your affiliate link? I'm going to take you step by step through the 5 reasons why you're potentially not making any sales as an affiliate marketer, and along with those 5 reasons, I'll give you 5 actionable solutions that you can implement today to start generating commissions you know you are capable of earning.
Reason 1. Not generating enough leads. Reason number 1 that you're not making sales is simply that not enough people know you exist. It's that straightforward. Let's be brutally honest. If nobody knows what you're selling, how would they ever buy? Most junior affiliates post their link once or twice and expect magic. That's not how it works. Affiliate marketing is a numbers game, and the more people who see your offer, the higher your chances of closing a sale. So here's how to solve that. Set a daily lead goal. At least 20 new people should know about the products you promote daily. Leverage content marketing and try to post at least 2 videos daily. You're not selling a product, you are selling a transformation. So get more eyes on it. Reason number 2. Not understanding the product enough. Reason number 2 that you're not making any sales is that you don't understand the products deeply enough. This is why I might step on some toes, but hear me out. Many affiliate marketers are promoting products that they've never used themselves or do not fully understand. They are attracted by the high commission rates and cool sales pages, but they can't genuinely explain how the products help solve specific problems. Here's the hard truth. If you can't confidently explain the product's value in 60 seconds, you're not ready to sell it. When you don't deeply understand what you're promoting, it shows. People can sense authenticity, and they can definitely sense the lack of it. Here's the solution. The solution is actually quite simple. Become a product expert before you try to sell it. Watch the product's training videos. Read the sales page line by line. Ask yourself, if my cousin asked me what this does, could I explain it in 3 sentences? Become the go-to expert for these products that you promote, and sales will naturally follow. Reason number 3. Not providing enough value before asking for the sale. Reason number 3 that you haven't made any sales is that you're not providing enough value before asking for the sale. Don't be that guy or girl that just drops links like, buy this now. That's not marketing. That's spamming. In 2025, people are sold to every day. If you're not building trust first, your link is getting ignored. Here's the hard truth. Nobody wants to feel like they're just a potential commission to you. Nobody enjoys being sold to aggressively. And in today's world, where people are bombarded with thousands of promotional messages daily, the desperate affiliate marketer stands out in the worst way possible. Here's the solution. Adopt the value first mindset. Before you ever ask for a sale, provide genuine value that helps your audience for free. Share educational, entertaining, or emotional content around the product's topic. For example, before promoting the WhatsApp cash out product, post a 1-minute reel. 3 ways to monetize your WhatsApp status in 2025. Number 2 blew my mind. They naturally mention the product after. Lead with value and sales will follow. Sales follows trust. Reason number 4. Not understanding your audience enough. Reason number 4 you haven't made any sales is that you don't understand your audience deeply enough. Who are you talking to? Students, 9-to-5 workers, stay-at-home moms? Too many affiliates post blindly without knowing who they are trying to help. Many affiliates make the mistake of trying to market to everyone, but in reality, when you try to speak to everyone, you end up resonating with no one. The most successful affiliates don't have the biggest audiences. they have the most targeted audiences. They know exactly who they are talking to, what keeps them up at night, what language they use, and what specific problems they are trying to solve. Without this deep understanding, you end up creating generic content that doesn't connect emotionally with your potential buyers. Here's the solution. Take the time to truly understand your ideal audience. This goes beyond basic demographics like age and location. You need to understand what their biggest frustration and pain points are, what goals they are trying to achieve, what have they already tried that didn't work, and what language do they use to describe their problems, where do they hang out online, and what objections do they have about purchasing solutions. One excellent way to gain this understanding is to actually talk to people in your target audience. Join Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or Discord servers where they gather together. Don't promote anything, just listen and learn. Take notes on the exact phrases people use when describing their challenges. These are gold for creating content that resonates deeply. If your audience is confused, they won't buy. If they feel seen, they'll trust you, and that's when the magic happens. Reason number 5, not studying top affiliates. Reason number 5 you haven't made any sales is that you're not studying what successful affiliates are doing. This might seem obvious, but it's surprising how many new affiliates try to reinvent the wheel instead of learning from those who are already succeeding. They either follow outdated advice from generic guru courses, or they try to figure out everything on their own through trial and error. Meanwhile, there are affiliates on Promptearn making $3,000, $5,000, and even $10,000 monthly using proven strategies that work right now. These top performers have already solved the problems you're facing. They figured out which content converts, how to build trust effectively, and how to turn audience members into buyers. Not studying these successful affiliates is like trying to navigate a forest without a map when others already cleared a path. Now, here's the solution. Make it a priority to study the top affiliates in your niche, especially those on the same platform you're using. Look at what type of content they are creating, how often do they explicitly promote products versus value, and what does their content strategy look like? How do they engage with their audience, and what platform are they focusing on? Follow at least 5 successful affiliates and analyze their approach carefully. Don't just casually observe. Take actual notes and look for patterns. Promptearn actually makes this easier because they highlight their top affiliates. You can see who's performing well and study their strategies. Some have even been rewarded with cars and all expense paid international trips for their performance. The goal isn't to copy these affiliates exactly, but to understand the principles behind their success and adapt them to your own style and niche. So there you have it, the 5 reasons why you haven't made any sales as an affiliate marketer. You're not generating enough qualified leads, you don't understand the products deeply enough, you're not providing enough value before asking for the sale, you do not understand your audience deeply enough, and you're not studying what successful affiliates are doing. The good news is that each of these problems has a clear solution that you can start implementing today. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistent action, genuine value creation, and authentic connection with your audience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.